Welcome back. The sad and shocking tale of the criminal assault on Goa's land culture and identity by the real estate sharks and the mining lobby was presented in the photo documentary by Rajan P. Parikar, which was titled The Rape of Goa.
Speaking to Goa 365, Rajan P. Parikar said that his photo exhibition is his attempt to create awareness among the people about the rampant destruction of Goa.
Most of the people are not aware that the deterioration of Goa has picked up so much steam in the last 6 months. Destruction and construction, cutting of hills is going on at such an alarming pace today. I am hoping that this exhibition will shock people out of their sleep and they will come out on the streets and hold our government accountable to what is happening.
He also said that the only way to save Goa is to get to the root of the decay.
There are no easy solutions, but we have to break the back of this troika, as I call it, of the real estate mafia, the mining mafia, and their collaborators, our corrupt politicians. Right?
Besides a smile, you need lights too to light up the room. They not only bring cheer and joy into our lives, but are also seen as a fashion statement in our homes. Simply Lights, a fashionable lighting store, was inaugurated in Karanzale with the purpose to introduce its clients to the wonderful world of lights. With the increase in the demand for lights, most electrical shops sell lights. Savita and James decided to sell lighting solutions to stand out from the others.
we thought of catering to all types of segments, the antique segment, the modern segment, the contemporary segment. And since Karanjalem and Miramar and Donapal got a high flow of construction, that's the reason we have come here to cater to the clients in this place.
The products from this store are sourced from all over the world.
See, we get it from India also, we get it from Europe also, we get it from China also, we get it from Hong Kong also, we get it from Thailand also, basically all parts of the world.
That's all we have for you today. Before we end, here is a reminder of the headlines. Government to install CCTVs on National Highway. Engineering colleges to be upgraded, says Minister for Technical Education, Narvekar. Note India to file a legal suit against King Khan for smoking in public. We'll be back with more news and analysis for you. Until then, have a great weekend.